I know you may still be trying to find your foot on what cryptocurrency is and all it entails, and then NFT shows up his big head. Trust me, Earnathon got you on a 100. NFTs are digital properties that live on the blockchain. First, let's look at what blockchain is. However, this is a surface scratch. You can check our other videos for more details. A descriptive imaginary definition of a blockchain is a block with chains connected to another block. A blockchain is essentially a decentralized digital ledger or register that monitors and records transactions that are duplicated and distributed across the entire network. So let's take, for example, that Faith and David makes a transaction using Bitcoin. That transaction is recorded on the blockchain alongside the transaction that was done between Bobby and Bella. NFTs are cryptocurrencies. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies which can be exchanged at the same value, NFTs are digital assets that are non-fungible. That is, they are not exchangeable for one another at the same value and can be bought and sold. Both NFTs and crypto are built on the blockchain using the same technology and principles. And you generally need cryptocurrencies to buy and sell NFTs. At a very high level, most NFTs are part of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Dogecoin, but its blockchain also supports these NFTs. It is worth noting that other blockchains can implement their own version of NFTs, which some already have. Whew, let's breathe. That was a lot to take in, right? Join in on the conversation by keeping up with Earnathon on all social media platforms. Think NFTs.
Earnathon, redefining learning.